Did you know you can upload videos to your TikTok account, not just from your phone, but on your PC or your iMac? I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you're on TikTok and you're browsing, and you see that certain videos, you can tell that they were edited on a computer and then uploaded. How did they do that? It's likely that those videos were edited using iMovie or Final Cut Pro on the PC and then uploaded on the web browser. Let me show you how to do it. Now, if you look down here, you will see that I actually have iMovie installed. I also have a Movavi Video Editor 15 installed. And now I could click on those and bring them up, but basically, a lot of people are recording and editing videos using their DSLR camera or sometimes even their smartphone in wide angle format, and then uploading them to their PC and editing the videos, and then even uploading the videos in their web browser. So you're saying, man, I didn't know you could do that. This is how you would upload. You would just typing in tiktok.com, going into TikTok, and you click on watch now. It gives you the option to log in, right? But not just logging in. Drag that over, I'm gonna log in. Success. Success. And I'm logged in. I don't know what them doctors was doing in that hospital. But you will see right here, after you have a video ready to go, up here, just like YouTube, it now gives you an upload option, which wasn't there a little while ago. When I say little while ago, I mean months ago, it wasn't there. Now you click on upload. It even gives you the option, just like the cell phone, to type a caption, to put a cover, select to upload a video. You click on select to upload a video. It's gonna ask me to draw it from my computer. Now, I don't know if it'll let you rotate the video, but in some of the movie editors, once you're done with it, you have to rotate it so that when you put it in TikTok, it'll fill up the whole screen to where you can rotate it again. And so let's see if it'll let me rotate this video. So it's importing it. I don't see, it's probably gonna leave it sideways. 99%. 100%. Okay, boom, it's done. So darn it, no. So it doesn't let you rotate it. So that's good to know. That's good to know. You won't really know what I'm talking about unless you actually edit a video, and you will see that in a lot of the video apps, you do have to either turn it to the left or to the right, whichever one, so it can fill the screen. Perfect example. Hopefully you can see this. See how, yeah, right there it's sideways, and so TikTok will let me go like this. Boom. And then of course it's upside down. Now it's right side up. So that's exactly what I was talking about. Whereas on this web browser, you can't do that. So that's the downside. So basically you would have to edit it and then make sure it's straight up and down, and then take it to a third-party app. Vertical or horizontal, you can edit on your computer and upload either one to TikTok from your web browser. So this one's 100%, it's done. This is what it would look like right here. To show you tricks on how to get followers and likes on TikTok. So this space right here, I would use to put things. And so right there, I would put tips and tricks up here, you know, and down here, I would put maybe follow me on YouTube. And so the good thing about uploading videos that are widescreen, even though, you know, you have all this space, is now you can do text, you know, on TikTok. So this is how you would upload videos from your computer, and why you would want to do it, you know, is maybe, you know, you have your whole workstation here at the house. You know, maybe you're tired of trying to do all this little editing and stuff on the phone, you know, where you got, you know, Final Cut Pro, you have, you know, iMovie, you have, you know, Movavi Video Editor, you have all this arsenal of tools and effects at your disposal, you know, and you feel free. Another thing is, don't you hate, you know, when you're making a TikTok and someone calls you on the phone, you know, it automatically sends it to a draft. Now you got to kind of pick up where you left off at. But in this case, you can use your DSLR camera. You can use an iPad if you want to record with that. Something that's not your phone. It basically, you know, and this is what a lot of big TikTokers do is they use an external source to record their videos, and then they edit on a different software platform, and they don't even use their phone, and they upload them from here. Or sometimes they will still format it for the phone, upload it to their email, download it either with Google Drive or whatever, and then upload it from their phone. That way the last thing that it touches is still their phone, so they can put in the hashtags and etc. But like I said, right here you still get to choose your cover. I like that. Look at that. It's quality too. Man, I like the lighting. You still choose your cover. Public, friends only, private, comment, allow users to comment, Duet react, and then once you're done, you know, you click upload. But I haven't. Let's see what's up. I'm just making up something right now. And then you would click upload. Let's see what happens, because I'm gonna delete it right away. Upload. I want to see what happens. Ah, it's going fast. Look at it. It was super fast. Upload. Oh man. Okay, so and view on profile. That was super fast. Okay, I have a couple of drafts that I'm not using, so now I need to go delete it. Can you delete? Uh-oh, so that's good to know. You can't delete on here. Maybe you want to upload and do all that editing, but you can't delete on here. You have to go to your phone. So let me go to my phone and let me delete that video, because I know my followers are like, okay, what is he doing? Oh, wait. It's on here though. No likes, no views yet. So let me go ahead and delete that. Delete. Alright guys, so hopefully this video was beneficial to you, and you saw something that maybe you didn't know that you could do, and you have options now. If you want more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way I can bring you more content that can help you succeed on social media. Once again, my name is Quincy. Like the video, also share it with someone who can use this information, and hey, I'll see you soon.